wonder how wood is turned into fine shavings? Let's take a quick look at how a wood shaving machine works. First, raw logs are fed into the machine, where powerful rotating blades begin to slice the wood into thin, uniform shavings. These shavings can vary in size depending on the machine settings and blade configuration. As the wood chips exit the machine, they're collected and ready for use. These wood shavings are versatile. They can be used for making composite wood products like particle board, as fuel for biomass energy, or even as mulch in your garden. Wood shaving machines play a crucial role in wood processing industries, turning raw material into valuable products while saving resources and reducing waste.